Got a 4.4 Wi-Fi extender? Want to set it up in under a minute without any apps or passwords? Then the WPS method is exactly what you need. Let me show you how incredibly easy it is. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing 4.4 Wi-Fi extender. First, unbox your 4.4 extender, and inside the box you will get extender, an Ethernet cable, and a pin for reset, and press WPS button. Step 2. Plug in 4.4 Wi-Fi extender to power. Plug your 4.4 extender into a power outlet. For the best results during setup, plug it in somewhere close to your main router and power on it. Step 3. Press WPS button. Now go to your main Wi-Fi router and press WPS button for 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes, go to 4.4 extender and press its WPS button for 2 seconds. 4.4 extender reset button and WPS button are same to use SIM ejector tool or pin to press WPS button. Wait for the connection. The lights on your extender will start blinking while it talks to your router. Will become a solid green light. This is your success signal. It means the connection is strong and the setup is complete. Step 4. Connect to extender SSID. Now go to mobile or laptop Wi-Fi connection, and you will find a new SSID name, same as your home Wi-Fi SSID, followed by EXT. Use same password as your home Wi-Fi password to connect it. Now relocate your extender to halfway between your router and the area where you need a better signal. Give it a minute to power up and connect, and then your devices should see the new extended Wi-Fi network. That's it. Enjoy your boosted Wi-Fi coverage. If this video helped you to set up your range extender, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guides. Thanks for watching.